go. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Shampoo. Shampoo.
Oh my god.
Soap.
Wait.
Shampoo. Shampoo. Soap.
I need y'all to know this is something I would do. Okay? I can't tell you how many times I've played Phasmophobia and something so small has scared the shit out of me, and it's just a random object. Oh my god. Okay, one more time.
Shampoo. Shampoo.
It's the
Soap.
it's the way. Okay, you know, she really did truly get scared because of the way the soap the way it shakes. Because that was like definitely her like shaking her hand on her mouse. Oh my god, that was great. That was so good.